Kolkali is one of the traditional dances performed at the time of marriages, both in the bride's house as well as in the bridegroom's house. There are minimum 10 to 14 pairs, that means 7 pairs, and one curricle or the leader who will direct the performers, and they will have their own uniform. Traditional uniform has been changed now. Songs are taken from great battles of the Islam, just like Badr, Uhud, or Khandak, and it has been derived from the great Malayalam traditional good old poet Moinkutti Vaidyar, and most of the songs are taken from that Badrubada Pat. It is called Badrubada Pat, and with coal or stick they will dance, and from one to another. That is why it is called Kolkali, the dance with coal. Then this is a very popular dance. I told that it is very colorful also, having colorful and headgears also. It is having turban, like turbans in their head, and it is a dance participated by only males. They dance with the synchronized beating of the sticks. Sticks will be beaten and rhythm will be repeated, and there are movements, very hectic movements. It shows just like a battle is going on, like that. Then the dance is accompanied by rhythmic folk songs. That is what I told, that it is being taken from old historic events, that just like battles. It is also taken from the all on a sudden the dancers will come and they will acquire knowledge of a family when at the time of marriage, and in the course of the dance different alignments are formed. In the beginning also it will have its own rhythmic starting, and in the end they will end with very lively and rhythmic by sitting or by making howling of its song, like that it ends, and all the nearby people or neighbors will assemble to see the dance at the time of marriage, and it will be the happiest occasion for both families of the marriage party. Very attractive and very colorful dance is Parijakali. Shield art or shield dance we can say. In Kerala it is called Parijamuttu. Parijamuttu. The performers will have shield and a sword. Parija is a shield and it is a Kali means dance. So it is a dance performed with sword and shields is called Parijakali. That is why it is called Parijakali. Then the sword and the shield are made out of very soft woods. That means the soft woods are available in Kavaratti and other islands, and the shield makers and the sword makers are there. It's just like a martial art. Having bodily movement is very quick, very what we call rhythmic, and having just like exercise. It is a form of fighting in the field. When we see the Parijakali, we see that the battle is going on. That is why shield and sword is carried by the artist. Kolkali and Parijakali are performed both the bride's and bridegroom's house at the time of marriage. Our island language is a mixture of Hindi, Urdu, Malayalam, Sanskrit and old Dravidian languages. So it is called Jazri language. So we used to have songs in Jazri, that is the Deep language, island language. It is especially the heroic deeds of our freedom fighters are attracted by VIP visit, and Parijakali songs are displayed at the time of Republic Day. All the performers will come in the open, before the open stage, and perform very well their martial art. And even the modern generation of Lakshadweep likes Parijakali because of its rhythmic steps and lively. It is just like a war is going on ancient times. So it likes by the people of all islands except Miniko. Miniko is having a separate dance. It is called Lava dance. Parijakali having its own traditional dress, turbans also they used to have at the time of performing the dance.
Hey!